Danielle here. Today I'm coming back to you guys with another amazing video, and I'm super excited to share with you guys every single thing that I got. If you guys cannot tell by the title, I may or may not just have gone super crazy in like the Target like home decor section. Literally lost it. Everything in there is so freaking cute. Like, let's just take a minute and praise the Target gods and say thank you for this year's like home decor line. Literally obsessed. It's all like boho chic, and it just like called to my soul, and I was like, yeah, I need to redecorate my room like yesterday. So if you guys want to see all the amazing things that I got, then just keep watching. But before we get into the video, if you love it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, especially if you guys want to see like a DIY home decor or like decorate my room with me. Like, guys, if you want to see that, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you guys want to see more of me and join the fam. Also, be sure to turn that notification bell on as well so you guys know every single time that I upload. But let's not wait any longer and let's just get into it. Alright guys, so I totally have like so much stuff around me and I do not know where to start. Like, you guys can't tell, but there's just like piles of stuff. So let's get into it, just grabbing right off the top of the pile. I have this rug right here. I'm super excited that I got this rug. It is like in navy and blue and like kind of like a creamy color, and I love it. It's kind of like in this like tribal like Aztec print, and it is so freaking soft. I think it's gonna look super cute like in the corner of my room, like under a mirror with like a fuzzy blanket. It's gonna look so good. So I'm excited that I got this, in the colors just literally like speak to my theme and just like pull the entire space together. So I'm so glad that I got this. If you guys can't tell, like the interior designer within me is totally coming out right now. So next up, I got this basket. I am obsessed with it. I think it is so freaking cute. I love how it's not a metal basket. It's actually like a woven, and the blue cording on it is just amazing. Like, the attention to detail on this is flawless. And then opening it up, it's literally just a huge basket. I plan on putting this next to like my TV stand and like throwing blankets in it, and it's just gonna look super cute. It's also from the line of Project 62. You guys totally can't read that, but that is the line that I bought like all of my stuff from at Target, if you guys are curious. So next up, I got this wood tray. I absolutely love it. I think it is so cute, and guys, I actually got it from the kitchen section at Target. So yeah, it's actually like a platter tray. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not gonna use it as that, but I love the wood grain on it. It looks so realistic, and the bark on the sides is so natural. Like, it looks like you literally just like chopped it straight from a tree and put it in the store, which I love about it. But I want to do a hanging plant, and this is going to be the base for it. And so of course, guys, I bought this fern. Look at it. It is so freaking cute. I love the coloring on it, like the light green. I think it's just amazing. Like, obviously, guys, this is an artificial plant because I do not have a green thumb at all, and I would probably kill all of my plants. But I love it. I think it is so cute, and it's gonna look great, like probably up in that corner of my room. I'm super excited about it because I feel like a hanging plant just screams like boho, and I am in love. Keeping with the plant theme, I bought some more plants. So I have these ones right here. So this is the first one. It's super cute. I don't know what these plants are called other than succulents. They probably have like special names, but I bought a ton of these. So I have this one. This one's like, I don't know, like kind of reminds me of like an aloe plant. And then this one is definitely like cactusy. I bought these to put these in like cute little jars and just to like decorate my room. So I'm excited for that. So next up in the dollar section, I got these string lights. I'm super excited to get these. I think they're so freaking cute. Honestly, like, I really don't know where I'm gonna put these. They were definitely an impulse buy, but I think they'll look great in like the background or at night. But you know, like totally like basic YouTuber right here buying string lights. I kind of went crazy in the pillow section. I bought a ton of pillows online because Target was having a sale. So we are going to do a speed round of pillows. So I got this pillow. I absolutely love it. It's like gonna take up my entire face. But I think it is so cute. I love the texture on it. Like, it has this beautiful embroidery, and then these like blue like lines like also stick out and give it a great texture. I love this pillow, and this is gonna be like the centerpiece on my bed. This one is like a supplementary pillow. It's honestly like a pretty plain pillow, but I love the texture of it. It's like a suede-y texture. It kind of feels like my couch, if you want to be honest. So it's like super soft, and I love it. This is also one of the pillows that you like karate chop, which makes me super happy. Have you guys ever seen that when they decorate houses? They're like scrunching it up and then they karate chop it. Next up, I got this woven pillow. I love this. The texture on it is amazing. Like, it's so freaking soft, and it's literally just like a yarn woven like back and forth, and it looks so freaking cute. This one's also going to be on my bed. So the last pillow that I got is this one. I love this pillow. I think it is so cute. So the one side is like plain, and then the other side is like super soft. I love the texture difference in it. And also it is navy, so it is definitely bringing in my theme full circle. But this is the last pillow that I got, and it's also gonna go on my bed. So the last thing that I got is something that I've been looking for a super long time. Like, I've been looking for this like forever, just finding something at like the right price. And this one was on sale, so I was like, yes. but I would show you guys. It's super heavy, so here we go. Insert clip of what it is. It is a mirror. It's a 2 foot by 6 foot mirror, and it's just like your plain basic mirror, and I love it. I've been looking for one for a super long time because, you know, you need that outfit pic mirror, not to be like basic or anything, but when you try to take outfit pics and you don't have a mirror long enough, it's really freaking hard to do. So I finally got a mirror and I am obsessed. I think I might redo the like trim around it and make it like a little bit more like, I don't know, glamorous and probably thicker, because right now it just has like a super thin trim on it. But I love it, and I am so grateful that I got it because I've been looking for it forever, and once I bought it, I was just like, yes, my search is over. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got from Target to decorate my room this year, and if you love it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, especially if you guys want to see like a decorate with me or like a room transformation video. Be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite item is that I got. Believe me, like, I would have to say my favorite item is probably like this fern. Like, I feel like it's just gonna add so much to the space, and the fact that it's gonna be like a wall hanging is gonna be so freaking gorgeous. I'm so excited for it. But also be sure to hit the subscribe button as well while you're down there. I also have a vlog channel, and I will have that linked down below as well if you guys want to see me like in my everyday like a natural habitat. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!